Introduce short picture overview of DualThunder gaming office chairs, ergonomic office gaming chair, home office desk chairs with wheels, gaming chairs for adults teens. Comfy rolling swivel computer chair, video game chairs. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.